This colon-cleaning juice can remove toxins from your body in no time. The colon is one of the most useful organs in the body. It is responsible for the elimination of toxins and also absorbs water and sodium in order to keep the electrolyte levels stable. If its function is impaired, your body will suffer as a result. Improperly working colon will allow accumulation of waste in the body, which will create numerous problems. The intestines process more than 30,000 L of liquids and more than 100 tons of food through our lifetime, which means that they process a huge amount of waste as well. This waste may accumulate in the body and poison our blood, slowly damaging the body from inside. If left untreated, toxins can cause numerous serious diseases including colon cancer. This type of cancer is highly deadly and kills more people than prostate cancer and AIDS every year. How to clean the colon? Just by going to the bathroom doesn't mean that your colon will be completely cleaned. In order to clean your colon, you must perform a colon cleansing at least twice a year. This can be done with the juice we're going to show you today. It contains apples and ginger, which will resolve numerous digestive problems and keep your colon clean. The juice also contains lemon juice, which will boost your digestion, detox your body, and contains vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can clean your body. Here's how to prepare the juice. Ingredients: 1/2 a cup of apple juice, 1/2 a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/2 a teaspoon of sea salt. Preparation: put the water in a saucepan and bring it to a boil, then leave it to cool down a bit and pour it in a cup. Next, add the sea salt and mix until it dissolves. Add the apple juice, ginger and fresh lemon juice next and mix again. Drink a cup of the mixture every morning on an empty stomach and follow it with another cup before your snack and in the mid-afternoon. The colon cleanse can be safely performed by anyone. However, we suggest consulting a doctor before starting the therapy if you're pregnant or suffering from some chronic disease or allergies. Some medications may interfere with the function of the drink. Avoid taking it if you're diabetic due to the high content of natural sugar in apple juice.